So today we're gonna be removing the side mirror on a 2007 up to, I believe, 2020 Toyota Tundra. The tools you will need is gonna be these pry tools, a Phillips head. You could either use a screwdriver or you could use the drill, and a 10mm socket. You wanna start by prying here.
You want to go ahead and open up that door handle and insert your pry tool and remove that cap.
After removing the cover, you're going to want to use your Phillips to remove this screw, as well as come up here and remove that Phillips screw as well.
After removing that first screw and that second screw, you want to go ahead and get your pry tool and pry under that main switch. You want to remove that, flip that over. It has a connection. Identify the connection and the release. Go ahead and press that and remove that connection. You're going to go ahead and insert that pry tool and start removing all those pressured clips that are holding onto that door panel. After removing those clips, you simply just want to push up.
This vehicle is equipped with memory seating. What you want to do is disconnect that, as well as the connections for the door right here. As well as the connection here in the bottom.
You're gonna go ahead and disconnect your power mirror connector. Once that's disconnected, you're gonna go ahead and use that 10mm socket to remove those 3 bolts. Start with the bottom. Typically this part you wanna go ahead and do it with 2 people. Make sure you don't damage the new mirror, but I'm used to doing this by myself. So I removed the 2 bottom bolts. I do leave the top bolt just tight enough that I could get to it with one hand, so I could remove it and I could go ahead and adjust and align to put in the new mirror with my other. As you see here, I tightened it with one hand, and then I go ahead and move around to the other side and I hit it with the drill to make it a lot faster. So we're going to go ahead and adjust and connect our new mirror connector. Go ahead and after that, get your door panel, and you pretty much just want to align it, as well as connect all your door handle connections and other connectors that were disconnected while removing the door panel. And just go ahead and align that door panel and push in to get those push tabs in aligned, and you should be good to go.